You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word. Yes, it's a word from Latin and French originally, hence the curious, confusing spelling. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, by the way, stay tuned. Pronounced as recognize. Stress on that first syllable. It's re, okay, not re. That's the more common pronunciation, not recognize. 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 Stress on the first syllable, as I said. Recognize. It's easy once you know. Recognize. English pronunciation, how to pronounce recognize, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.